Good morning, market snipers. Welcome back. This is Jesse getting started right on the dot at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If this is your first time, awesome. Welcome. If you're returning as a market sniper, welcome back. The first 15-30 minutes, we're going to go through the charts very heavily. And the second half of the live stream, we're going to try to keep these live streams a little bit shorter. Seems like the feedback is 1 hour to one and a half hours is a little bit too long. So I'm seeing that in the comments and stuff like that. So we might be keeping them shorter. So we're going to rock and roll a little bit faster. Bitcoin smashed $52,000, right? Bitcoin smashed it. This is the 2-week chart that we're taking a look at. One thing I want to take a look at was that you can see like the last 2-week buy signal over here in April 2020. It took a while for it to start getting ramped up. And then once it went ultra bullish on the 2-week chart, it really started to take off to the upside, right? Here we are again, had a buy signal, consolidated, and then another buy signal over here, got back above the 200-week moving average, and it started to take off to the upside as well. And then once it started going ultra bullish at about $40,000, it's starting to make its move quite a bit faster on the 2-week chart. So I'm pointing that out because also on the monthly chart, it has not even gone ultra bullish yet. You can see that the last buy signal was there. There's an original buy signal at about 28,500-ish, right? Buy signal, and then another buy signal, right? And then after that, once it went ultra bullish, price really took off to the upside for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months in a row, right? So 6 months in a row. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Help me, help you, help me. Good morning, market snipers. Good to see everyone. Lawrence, welcome back. Emilio, good morning, welcome back. Ollie, welcome back. Javier, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. Good to see everyone back here, right? Don't forget, happy Valentine's Day. You know what to do for your significant other. Do something. I got to take my own advice, right? I got to take my own advice. But yeah, don't forget. And obviously, don't forget to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and let's get rocking and rolling over here on this fine Wednesday morning. Let's jump back into it. Comments. Caesar, good afternoon. Welcome back, Caesar. Good to see you back. So this is what I wanted to show you. Bitcoin monthly chart hasn't even gone ultra bullish yet, but it could in the near future, right? It's only halfway through the month. By the time this month is over, it's starting to look very similar to this monthly candle over here, November 20th. And if you take a look at it over here, from wick to wick, about 49% move, right? So 49% move. From wick to wick, we're at about 23%. So you can see that the potential is there. By the time the monthly candle closes, it could be ultra bullish, very similar to November 20th, if not maybe the next month. And that's what we're going to continue to watch over here. And then it was 6 straight months in a row. And what I want to kind of show you is this. We're going to switch over to ANF, right? What if Bitcoin does something similar to Amber, Crombie, and Fitch, right? You had that buy signal. Here's the all-time highs, right? Price took out the all-time high. And the monthly candle went ultra bullish and then just went parabolic after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the seventh month in a row, right? So let's go back to Bitcoin. Just keep here. Let's put on these targets over here. So remember, all-time high right here is Bitcoin right here, right? So you got Bitcoin hasn't even flipped ultra bullish yet. And then once it does, once it went ultra bullish on ANF, it took out the all-time high. And then just 7 straight months in a row, hit 1, 2, 3 ANF targets, right? So let's go back to Bitcoin. So on Bitcoin, we have the former all-time high over here, right? It's getting very close to the all-time high. What if it flips ultra bullish this month and starts to get very close to taking out that all-time high, right? And then I've got from the halving to 20 months from the buy signal, right? So the buy signal, I did 20 months, and the 20 months brings us to about June 2025, July 2025, right? And then put on these Abercrombie and Fitch targets. So what if it flips ultra bullish similar to ANF? What if in the next 20 months we see Bitcoin hit $100,000 Bitcoin and hits Abercrombie and Fitch target 1? If ANF can hit target 1, why not Bitcoin, right? Why not Bitcoin? So hopefully that's something we can do. My words, 150K. We know, we hear that over and over again. Doc. we don't need to see that every day. Well, we hear it every day, right? So except for on the down days. On the down days, Doc disappears, right? We're still here every single day, but Doc disappears on a red day, or when it's 21% correction. We don't hear anything about that. We just hear about the 150 by June, 80K by March. And you've left off 50K by January, which you missed, by the way. So only by $1,000, pretty good. You only missed $1,000 on Bitcoin. So we will see. But what if in the next 20 months we see Abercrombie and Fitch target 1 get hit, aka ANF on Bitcoin? What if we see ultra bullish monthly chart on Bitcoin as well? So that's what we're hoping for. That's what we're watching, right? What if Bitcoin is right about here, or possibly on this candle here, and then it flips ultra bullish and takes out the former all-time high, right? Then those targets could be in play, especially target 1, right? So especially target 1. So that's it. That's the Bitcoin update quickly over there. Let's take a look at some of these crypto assets with the monthly chart. Bitcoin prices here on Ethereum, right? Above it now, right? So this is longer term target 4. And then I put on some Abercrombie and Fitch targets up here. The second one is at $10,000 roughly. NVIDIA's price is above that, right? So if it takes out former all-time high, I will remember you next in March until you keep my mouth closed. Let's go party, people. West Diddy, welcome back. So Bitcoin's price is here. What if it comes up and hits target 3? Look, we're already basically there, right? We're already basically there. So longer term target 3, price is closing in. It got within, $300. No, $200, right? So got within $200 on the third longer term target on Ethereum. So that's what we're watching over here. It's ultra bullish on the daily chart. It's flipped ultra bullish on the weekly chart. 2-week chart hasn't even flipped ultra bullish yet. When it did in the last run in November 2020, it really took off to the upside, right? So we haven't even seen it flip ultra bullish on the 2-week chart yet, but it could in the near future, right? We haven't even seen it flip ultra bullish on the monthly chart yet, and it hasn't even taken out the all-time high yet. So there's a lot of opportunity in the crypto and Bitcoin mining stocks. If you miss Bitcoin, right, there's a lot of opportunities out there. Solana, let's go to the 2-week chart. It's ultra bullish on the 2-week chart. It's hit 3 longer term targets so far. DOT is bullish on the 2-week chart, but it's nowhere near even flipped ultra bullish on the 2-week, the weekly chart, or anything like that. Hasn't even hit longer term target 1. There's so much opportunity out there, so much potential out there. That's what we're going to continue to watch level by level, step by step. This could be the low. This looks like a higher low. Could take out that pivot point over there. Woo! Rock and rolling today. Moving quickly. Cardano, weekly chart. This is what I want to point out on the monthly chart. DOT had a pending buy signal on the monthly chart, but no longer. But it did have a pending buy signal. I posted that earlier today on the Twitter X app, so definitely follow me over there. Cardano still has a pending buy signal on the monthly chart. We haven't even seen that yet, right? So I posted that over here. Let's see. Where did I post that? Right here. This is where I posted it. Justin, Dot, ADA, and Matic all have a pending buy signal on the monthly chart. Notable prices of when they had a buy signal. Bitcoin was at 34,800. Currently right around 52,000. Ethereum was at 1,825-ish. I was rounding, right? Currently at $2,700. Chainlink was at 1140. It's at about $20. Solana 59. I think it's at above 115 right now. Where is it at? Yeah, 116 right now. So pending buy signal on Cardano. Sand does not have a pending buy signal yet. Near already had a buy signal, right? And then went through retracement, but started to pump up pretty hard when it hit target 1. Mana, no pending buy signal on the monthly chart yet. Chainlink had the buy signal, like I said, back here at about 1140-ish. Yeah, about 1140, right? Currently at $20. Matic has a pending buy signal. It's hit target 1 so far, right? So they're all starting to flip back around on the monthly chart. So that's what we'll continue to watch. 2-week chart already had buy signals on a lot of these. Ultra bullish on Chainlink 2-week chart. Mana, no buy signal yet on the 2-week chart. Near already did. Sand, no buy signal on the 2-week chart yet. Cardano already had a 2-week buy signal back here at about 38 cents. So that's what we're watching on all the crypto assets. If we flip over to the Bitcoin mining stocks, bullish on the 2-week chart, right? Bitfarm, CLSK, ultra bullish on the 2-week chart. 2 of the 4 longer term targets have been hit so far. Marathon Digital, bullish. Riot, bullish. We gonna make it, bullish. Hive has a pending buy signal on the 2-week chart. Got this question mark up here at the 200-week moving average. When it had the last buy signal in the bull run over here, July 2020, it went from $1.80 and wicked all the way up to 1,400% at about $28. So that is the potential. This is a low. This is a higher low, another higher low, and it's hit 2 shorter term targets so far on Hive from the buy signal, right? Buy signal on the daily chart has hit 2 targets so far, shorter term targets, and then of course you got the longer term targets as well. MIGI not doing much today, right? Had that buy signal, pumped up, came back down, could be putting in a higher low. Another pending buy signal on HUT has hit 1 target so far to the upside, right? Let's go back over to the 2-week chart. Doesn't even have a buy signal or a pending buy signal on the 2-week chart. Still below the trending dots. A lot of potential there on some of these Bitcoin mining stocks. Reversal candle back here in the end of January on the weekly chart. Price is currently back up into the trending dots. Get back above the trending dots, get a pending buy signal on the weekly chart. HUT could start to take off to the upside as well. You got the shorter term targets, and then of course you got longer term targets as well that we can put back on there. Wolf, right? This is a weekly chart, still bullish, and that's pretty much it for crypto. Bitcoin. Oh, there was another one. Aave was starting to make its move. Looked like on Aave daily chart. Where is that at? Okay, let me just pull it up here. So I posted that in the Discord. Yeah, so it had a buy signal. Oh, this is the weekly chart. So the weekly chart is bullish, right? So if you kind of zoom out here, the weekly chart is bullish. Kind of move these targets back over here, right? These are some longer term targets. But if you look on the daily chart, it's a pending buy signal on the daily chart, and the weekly chart is bullish, right? So this is Aave. This is you can see the potential here, right? You've got the breakout. I posted in the Discord a 37% correction, hit 2 key sniper target areas to the downside perfectly, pointed it out, showed it, all that stuff, found support there, and then started to make its move. Candle closed back above, buy signal, came back down, and now is breaking out again from the downward trend line, right? So this is Aave. Daily chart has a pending buy signal, and the weekly chart is bullish as well. Aave is looking pretty good. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. Obviously, it's for educational purposes only, and hopefully you find it a little bit of entertainment purposes as well. So that's Aave. Let's switch gears back over to the Magnificent Seven. Let's just take a look at it. NASDAQ Could it be breaking down, right? Looked like there's a candle close below. There is bearish divergence. There is an RSI sell signal pending, right? Still pending. So we will see. Obviously, it could find support and continue to make additional bearish divergence, meaning higher prices, right? So we'll keep an eye on it. SP 500 looks very similar. Bearish divergence, no RSI sell signal as of yet, but could in the near future. The dollar is still currently bullish. Nvidia is still ultra bullish. You can see it's in ultra bullish territory, right? You've got Meta is still ultra bullish as well, had that big gap up. Amazon still bullish, still above the trend line, still above the trending dots. Microsoft had bearish divergence and got a candle close below, and it could be another candle close below there on Microsoft. But we'll see if it finds support or not. And it comes up and hits ANF target 1, right? ANF target 1. Tesla, we were talking about it, bullish divergence. Excuse me. Flushing out the last part of this cough. The energy feels back to about 90%, gaining strength every single day, rocking and rolling. Still got this lingering little cough, but don't feel sick anymore. So feeling a lot better, about 90%. So we'll keep going. Tesla over here on the daily chart, again, bullish divergence. We were talking about it yesterday. Could it be putting in a higher low? Too early to say, but it's possible. It had an RSI buy signal on February 8th, so about 6 days ago. And so that's what we're watching over there on Tesla. I'm sure Rivian looks very similar. It follows Daddy Tesla over there. Apple looks a little bit different. It is continuing to break down on the daily chart, right? It is bearish on the daily chart. So you had a high, you had a lower high, you had a lower low, right? And then a lower high, and then see if it puts in another lower low or if it finds support. So Apple daily chart is bearish. The weekly chart is pending a sell signal. So something to pay attention to. If you're in Apple, you had bearish divergence followed by a lower high. Now you have a pending sell signal, RSI pending sell signal, and it could be trending downward, possibly come back down and retest the 200-week moving average. Google had a reversal candle, right? Could be putting in a lower high, something to keep an eye on over there. And if we switch gears back over, I want to show you gold as well. Gold has a pending sell signal on the weekly chart. This is the daily chart. So you can see that from that reversal candle, put in bearish divergence, a lower high, a lower high. The last sell signal was on February 9th, last Friday. And since then, we've hit 2 targets to the downside. Will it find support at target 2? It's possible. Could it come down lower, hit target 3, target 4, and then possibly even the 200-week moving average? Yes, that is possible, right? Why? Because silver, we talked about this way back here. Silver came all the way back down, bounced off 200-week moving average, put in a lower high, came all the way down below it. Could have a double bottom down here, pending a reverse candle. It's possible. But it came back all the way down to the 200-week moving average and even went below it. So it's possible gold does too, but it's also possible that gold remains more bullish than, say, silver does and finds support at target 2, maybe target 3 or target 4. So we'll continue to watch it. Javier, NVIDIA overtook Google in market cap. Wow, that's crazy, right? Let's take a look at it. Let's take a quick little glance at it. NVIDIA, let's see, where is the market cap? $1.8 trillion. Wow, that's pretty massive. Google is at 1.81 trillion. So according to TradingView, Javier, is very close. Per TradingView, Google is at 1.81 trillion. So it looks like it will overtake it very shortly here. And then unless it's lagging, but NVIDIA is currently at 1.79 trillion. So very close, but it hasn't overtaken it according to TradingView as of right now. But as it's ultra bullish, it could be in the near future. And then, of course, Google is down 0.3%, and maybe this is a possible lower high. So if it does, if it if it hasn't overtaken it officially yet, it could in the very near future, right? So good call on that one. And Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, let's see. Bitcoin market cap, I think it's close to like $1 trillion again. Let's see. Uh let's see. Does it show it? Market cap on here. No, it doesn't look like it's showing the market cap on Bitcoin. I'd have to look it up, but I think it's pretty close to $1 trillion again on Bitcoin. So that's we'll continue to watch that, see if it ever hits $2 or $3 trillion. That'd be interesting. So Bitcoin, let's see, MicroStrategy over here, ultra bullish on the daily chart. Weekly chart has flipped ultra bullish over here. Let's look at the 2-week chart. Has not flipped ultra bullish yet. What if it does flip ultra bullish? When it flipped ultra bullish on the 2-week chart back over here, and it was above the 200-week moving average, and it was above the trending dots, it really took off to the upside and hit $1,322 in a matter of what is that? 8 2-week candles. That's insane. So we could see some major spikes here on some of these fast moving stocks that are related to Bitcoin. And MicroStrategy, MicroStrategy plays very similarly to there's a lot of similarities to the Bitcoin mining stocks. So it could be a fast mover as well, right? CLSK, no, that's Bitfarm. CLSK, ultra bullish already. So it's possible you start to see some major spikes up on CLSK. It's already hit the 2 targets so far, excuse me. Marathon Digital. Now let's switch over to some of these other stocks over here. PayPal flat today. Let's go back to the weekly chart. Let's go to the daily chart, kind of zoom in here. PayPal is flat at 0.3%. Remember, came all the way back down, back tested. It could be a higher low, reverse candle. See if it regains the trending dots. See if it regains this downward trend line, and then gives a pending buy signal in the future, right? So that's PayPal pretty much flat today. Disney flat today, but still ultra bullish. Teladoc up 2.5%, right? So it had that reversal candle. This could be the higher low. Buy signal pumped all the way up to about $21.50, came back down, and now is back above the trending dots again with another pending buy signal over here on Teladoc. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. The weekly chart is back above the trending dots. There's no pending buy signal yet on the weekly chart, but it could in the near future, maybe this week, maybe next week. We will watch it and continue to watch over there. Unity Software, right? Low, higher low, broke out this long-term downward trend line. Currently at $34.20 over there, up 3.29%. Nice move. Lemonade, another pending buy signal. Buy signal, they all look very similar, right? Buy signal, pumped up, came back down, and now looks like it found support and could be making a move back above the trending dots. We got a green trending dot there as well, right? So you got the green trending dot. Another candle close back above would be very good for Lemonade, which we talked about in the video. Was that it's an insurance company. It caters to millennials. There's about 35% of their, per the internet sources, 35% of all their clients are millennials. And they've incorporated AI into all aspects of their business. So it's almost like an AI stock, in my opinion, or a technology stock, but it is actually insurance, right? So speaking of artificial intelligence, this is AI. Path, they're both still bullish. What else? Let's take a look at, we already looked at Tesla, Apple, Square. Square, you got a low here. See if it finds support, puts in a higher low, and then could be making a move out of there. Let's see. Doge up 5%, right? Up 5%. It looks a little bit different than what I had drawn it out as, but uh, if you move the yellow line down, it played out perfectly. That's insane. Of course, I had it up here and I didn't ever adjust it down. And now looking at it now, if you adjust it down to like that, the way I drew it out of how it could possibly play out, it played out perfectly, right? So just had to adjust the trend line down, move the goalpost a little bit, but that is Doge starting to make its move over here. Had that buy signal, had that big retracement down. That was a huge retracement down on Dogecoin. It was well, not huge, but 31%. Consolidated. Buy signal broke this downward trend line and now is pushing up over there. Weekly chart is also bullish. On the weekly chart, you can see at one point it hit all the way up to 74 cents. It's currently at 8.5 cents right now. We got it's bullish on the weekly chart, bullish on the daily chart. Let's look at the 2-week chart on Doge. 2-week chart is bullish, right? I'll redo these targets. Those are old targets that I put on there. And so that's the 2-week chart. Let's take a look at the monthly chart. The monthly chart hasn't even went bullish yet. It could in the near future. Had a buy signal on the monthly chart back in December, came back down. You can see a green trending dot for the first time since February 2022, right? So the first time we have a green trending dot on the monthly chart over here. And so Doge could be starting to make its move very quickly in the near future. It's already started making a move on the daily chart. We'll continue to watch over there on Doge. AVAX bullish. What else? Any other requests here? We're at about 27 minutes. Let me know. Let's take a look at some of these. Dot BTC still bearish. So this is the potential. Sand BTC. So Bitcoin is still leading the way, right? Once these flip around, it's going to be a crazy time in the markets. Sol BTC is battling, right? Chainlink BTC is doing better. ETH had a reversal candle. Could be interesting on ETH versus BTC in the near future. AVAX flat pretty much. Near BTC could be fighting support. Woo! Type Bitcoin to get the I know I can just find it on the Bitcoin market cap over here. You might as well. Bitcoin and then the market cap over here. Let's see, where is the market cap? Where is the market at? Should be on there, but let's see, market cap. That's crypto market cap. There it is. There it is. All right, might as well take a look at it. I brought it up. Yeah, over $1 trillion over there. So $1 trillion on Bitcoin market cap. Let's see. So yeah, $1 trillion market cap over there, Javier. I thought it was pretty close. Could you please take a look at BNC? Yeah, BNC. Emilio, you got it. Let's take a look at it. I know I have it on here because I think you've been asking for it or someone else has been asking for it. So let's see. I guess we'll just choose Qcoin over here. BNC. Maybe I took it off, but yeah. So back here, right, had that retracement over here all the way down to about 42%. And then it looked like it was breaking out, came all the way back down, and then started to make its move back up. The last buy signal was on the daily chart was at 52 cents. Weekly chart is ultra bullish over here. So BNC weekly chart is ultra bullish. Daily chart is bullish. Monthly chart is not yet. 2-week chart is also ultra bullish. So it's just ultra bullish. That's all I can pretty much say right there. Matt Thompson, coin please. You got it. I have it on here. And I was looking at it this morning. Let's see, where is coin? There it is. Coin, if you look at it on the 2-week chart, it's hit 2 out of the 4 longer term targets so far. It is bullish on the 2-week chart. Monthly chart has a pending buy signal, right? Pending buy signal on the monthly chart. The daily chart is bullish. Weekly chart is bullish. They're all bullish right now on coin. Daily chart, the last buy signal after that correction is a pretty good correction there. Let's see. Let's measure it out. On coin, it was almost a 39% correction. Kind of zoom out here in the weekly chart. These are the longer term targets. It's hit 2 of the 4 longer term targets so far. Bitcoin has hit 4 out of the 4 longer term targets so far, right? So it's possible that you have this higher low, higher low, higher high, and price is bullish on the daily, the weekly, the 2-week, and pending buy signal on the monthly chart for coin. Emilio, thanks. You got it. You're welcome. Hey, can you explain why everyone looks at ETH to BTC chart or AI coin or a kind to BTC chart? What does it mean? It just means that, so on ETH BTC, what it means to me, right? It's just a matter of what is more bullish right now, right? So when ETH is bearish, when ETH BTC is bearish, right? Like it is as of right now, it means that Bitcoin is moving faster to the upside and is more bullish than Ethereum, right? So once it flips around, if you get like, say, for example, let's go back. Let's do a weekly chart so we can zoom out here, right? If you look back here, when ETH versus BTC, February 2017, flipped bullish on the weekly chart, you can see that it went parabolic on ETH versus BTC, right? And that was a 900% move from February 2017, right? So if we go to Ethereum versus BTC on February, let's see, where is it? February 2017, right? Ethereum moved up. We'll just call it from here. This is probably a bad chart, but moved up 373%, and Bitcoin moved up. Let's see, 2017, right? 350%. So it's kind of a bad example based off of those charts. Probably have to find a better chart, but Ethereum did outperform it, Bitcoin, and you can kind of see when Ethereum will move faster than Bitcoin to the upside, or crypto assets move faster to the upside, is after the buy signals, right? So if you got this buy signal back here, January 2021, all the way up to there on DOT versus BTC, right? So January 2021, you can see that on DOT, for example. Let's see, January 2021, you can see DOT really made a move, right? So January 2021 moved up 400%, while Bitcoin January 2021 what didn't move up that fast, right? So January 2021 about 90%. So hopefully that helps. Ethereum wasn't as good showing the difference, but once they have a buy signal on the DOT versus Bitcoin, or any crypto asset versus Bitcoin, it moves faster, right? So DOT moved up 400%, while Bitcoin only moved up 90%. So hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you have any follow-up questions. Can you look at SEI? Sure. We're at 33 minutes, so we're going to probably call it here in the very near future, but we'll just take a quick look at it. Let's see. On this one, there's not a ton of chart history. It's ultra bullish on the weekly chart. Looks like it found support at like target 2 on the eyeball test, right? Never hit target 3 or target 4. Did have that bearish divergence. Someone else had me take a look at it back here. Bearish divergence. The retracement was about 36%. Found support. The last buy signal on the daily chart was February 8th, and it's taking off to the upside. It's ultra bullish on the daily chart, ultra bullish on the weekly chart, and that's pretty much all I can add over there. Gert Jan Tenhove, welcome back, my man. Matt Thompson, thanks. You got it. MTLC, Jesse, what are your thoughts of BTC getting a pre-halving dump like it usually happens? It's possible, right? It's possible. There's still bearish divergence out there. but it's ultra bullish on the daily chart. It's ultra bullish on the weekly chart. It's ultra bullish on the 2-week chart. It's bullish on the weekly chart. It could be ultra bullish on the monthly chart in the near future. So with that, if there is a retracement, you know, that might have been the last retracement, right? That was a 21% move down from wick to wick, right? So that 21% retracement. So, it's possible either before or after the halving. I've seen it in the halving where there's a retracement after the halving as well. So, but right now you don't want to fight the trend. If you missed it, just don't want to. You don't want to jump into that fear of missing out. You want to look for the next opportunity, right? That's my personal own opinion. Yeah, thanks, brother. You got it. You got it. Kurt Jan, thank you. Yep, you got it. Michael Grebner, can you take a look at Rune? Yeah, someone has been having me look at Rune on more often, so I think I still have it on here. Where is Rune over here? Let me just look it up. Maybe I took it off. Let's see. Rune. There it is. Yeah, it's on here. So it's up 5.5% today. 2-week chart is bullish, right? Looks like it put in a higher low. It's hit 3 of the 4 longer term targets so far. Weekly chart is bullish, back above the trending dots. Daily chart is bullish, right? Last buy signal was down here at $4.50. Excuse me. Let's take a look at the monthly chart. And the monthly chart is bullish, right? So the last buy signal on the monthly chart was down there at $1.90. So bullish, daily, weekly, 2-week, monthly chart, all bullish on Rune. So with that, thanks for all of your support. Thank you for smashing the like button. Thanks for smashing the subscribe button. Help me, help you, help me. I appreciate all of you. Happy Valentine's Day. You know what to do for your significant other. I got to take my own advice, do something nice for her. Probably go off to Nectar, get some juice. She's probably hearing me right now, so I'm blowing my cover over here. But probably go out and get some Nectar juice, get her all pumped up on juice, and rock and roll from there. And maybe even give her a little tiny back massage. Hopefully she's not listening. She probably is. But here we go. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Good to see you all back here. Smash the like button. You know what to do. And with that, hope you all have a good rest of your day. MTLC, thanks. Have a good day. Thank you. Appreciate you. And we will see you on the next one. Have a good one.